Good day, folks. Thought I'd do some arts and crafts today. I just wanted a chainsaw holder so I can sharpen it, like to really hold it. So what I did is just cut the bottom off this log flat, cut a piece here out, and then I cut a slot down where the chain goes, right? So you can file that, and that'll hold the bar and everything right steady for you. And then so you can still turn the chain, right? And also you can use it for clearing saw blades as well. Just use it, cut yourself a little wedge to hold it steady there. Right, and then you can go to town. Look, I can do it with one hand. Right, and you can do quite a few teeth, and then just pull the wedge out, turn it, put the wedge back in. Away you go. Nice. And smaller blades too. Just put the wedge in, away you go. Away you go. I just made something out of nothing. Well, not nothing. It was a piece of wood. Now it's a chainsaw holder slash clearing saw blade, holder sharpener, all in one. You can leave it in the woods. You can do anything with it because it's just a piece of wood. If you lose it, just cut another one. Right? So if I wanted to swing it around, come from this side, just swing it around. There we go. Swing it around, move it around. It's hard to do with one hand, but you get the picture. Anyways.